Welcome to Bayside, 2601. Come on in, let's take a look. It's got 1,800 square feet, dual master bedrooms plus a half bath. As you know, Bayside is the third newest building in downtown. This is a spectacular view from the 26th floor, 180-degree, private, safe, panoramic bay view. It doesn't get any better than this. Nice view of the runway, 180-degree, unobstructed bay view. This residence is available furnished for an additional negotiated dollar amount. Dual master bedrooms. Like I said, here's the smaller of the two master bedrooms with an ensuite. This one has balcony access. This one has a shower tub combination. Here's the master, the true master ensuite. With a nice walk-in closet. Again, nice, safe bay view. Notice this condo, one of the bonuses, the rare bonuses to this condominium, is that in this floor plan you have no other condominium looking in on you. It's extremely rare to find such a view condo without another unit looking at you. A lot of the competing units at this price point, your bedroom faces another condominium's bedrooms. So again, this is very private. This is the quietest floor plan in the building. You see two sinks, separate shower, separate tub. This floor plan does have kind of a little special bonus area where the laundry is. It's a storage room. Some people build in a desk in this little walkway. You have a little pantry closet on the left, stackable washer dryer, AC units in the back behind these doors to the left. This unit also has a nice half bath, which once you've had a half bath, you'll be hard pressed to buy another condo without the half bath. It's right near the front door. Notice the modern finishes. Again, I'm Mark Mills, Remax. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in a private showing on this unit, give me a call at 619-606-2596.